Hi, and welcome to this video on Crystal Direct and the PVCU bonus pack. With fast delivery nationwide and competitive pricing, Crystal are one of the UK leaders of PVCU products. Their massive range of windows, doors, conservatories and more align with any architectural style. Our partnership with Crystal Direct means Estimator Express and Plans Express users can now choose from 7,000 PVCU products in 15 different colour and wood grain finishes. The constant testing during the manufacturing process ensures a high quality product. We've added brand new pickers to Estimator Express to make incorporating the Crystal Direct range into your estimates fast and easy. Crystal Direct also offer their own crystal cavity closers. They click together easily, making installation by your own team much easier. We're going to go through the easy to use pickers in Estimator Express to show you how you can quickly filter the products in accordance to the size, style and colour of your choice, and how the software will automatically provide you with all the supplementary products you need for the complete system. To do this, I'm going to use a Crystal Direct PVCU window workbook. For the worksheet name, I'm going to select New Window, and location, I'm going to select Extension, as that's a job type that many builders can fit the windows themselves. Once the worksheet is open, the software will present us with a window specifier box. This is one of the new pickers available within the software, and it will give us a list of all the windows available to us. As I can scroll down here, it's quite an extensive range. To filter this, I can come across to the left hand side and I can select initially the range I want to look at. So I can say metric casement narrow format. This has now reduced the list of windows available to me to the metric casements, and I can now come down to the style drop down box, and from here I'm going to select style 25. Once again, this is filtered down the windows available to me, and I can further filter this by selecting the width. Now for these, only available in 888mm, but I can filter down further for the height. So I'm going to select 1188mm. If I do wish to change my mind, I can click the little red cross and pick a different height from the list. I'm going to go back to my 1188mm and I'm going to move down to the U value filter box, and here I'm going to select 1.4. This now filters the list down to 3 available windows. But what I want to do now is I'm going to come down to the colour filter box and I'm going to select a rustic cherry from the list. This now takes me down to the single window left, which is an artisan PVCU window type 25. Once I'm happy with my selection, I can click select window. The next page of the picker will take us through to the lintels available. It has already selected a steel lintel, 125mm cavity by 1200mm in length. I can further filter this by selecting the wall type and filter this down to say just cavity wall instead of both cavity and timber frame, and I can select the cavity width of 90 to 105mm. This leaves me with the range left now of various lengths available within the software, so I can filter this down just by going to the length drop down box and selecting 1200, finally leaving me with the steel lintel I require. I'm going to select that lintel. On the final page of the picker, it's brought me through to the cavity closers. As you can see now, it has given me a range of various cavity closers to use that's in the software, and also the Cav Crystal window formers. From here, I can select the 100mm cavity, click select and finish. Now it's taken me through to the dimensions wizard, where I can finalize the dimensions within the software for this window and make any specifications such as wall thicknesses and bulking factor if being placed in an existing wall. I can go through the plastering and seal details, and also the decoration specification. As a PVCU, I don't require to paint or prime the window, but I can apply sealant and also any other decoration to seals. Once done, I now have my window estimated with correct dimensions, correct product, and all materials required to complete this project. If you have any questions about the PVCU bonus pack and the Crystal Direct link, please give the support team a call on 0117 916 7899. That's 0117 916 7899. Thank you.